So there are many good things about using chatbots in your studies. Nowadays you have many different choices. You have, for example, ChatGPT, which is the most common. You have Copilot from Microsoft, you have Claude from Anthropic, Gemini from Google, and so on. A good thing that has come recently is that you can use study mode. And if you use that, it works more like a teacher, and it doesn't give you the answers straight away, but helps you on the way. And that minimizes the risk for taking the easy way out and being too lazy. So you should always look at your chatbot as a teacher. You can speak to it, for example, with ChatGPT, and that's a great way to practice your speaking. There are a number of chatbots which are for free, and usually only you have to pay if you want extra powerful chatbots. But remember, it can make mistakes, so it doesn't always give you the correct answers. A great way to use chatbots in your studies is to get feedback, but it's important that you remember to give it a good prompt, and often in your assignments there is a ready prompt to use, so you get more exact feedback. And of course, the important thing is not that you send in something which is perfect, but that you learn something from what you do and from the feedback. If you just let the chatbots correct something for you and you send it in, then it's considered cheating, and I'm not going to let you to get something for it. So you have to do it again. So you have to correct your own mistakes. So when you have done it, it shouldn't look like this, because then you have only like taken away everything that you have done and then replaced it with something else. It should more look like this, that you have gone in your text and corrected it and made it better. So that's the way you learn. We also use something called Write Human, and then we can check if your writing process. So it should look like something like this, where the essay is done word by word and corrected and rewritten and so on. And then I can see that there are many changes, 7,000 here. But now look at the next one, which is coming now, where there are only 208 changes. So in the beginning, the student write it by themselves, and then suddenly just a big part of the essay is just put there. So so remember to make your changes yourself and use the chatbot in a smart way. Bye for now.